Hi, I'm Katie and this is Helen, and we're both from Almased, and today we'll just be talking to you about what Almased is, how to use it and general benefits of the product.
So how does it differ from other products that are similar that are on the market, which I personally would be worried that were full of sugar?
Almased, it's just based on 3 ingredients, so it's really natural, it's really nourishing. You've got the soya, the yogurt, the honey, and then you've also got the vitamins and minerals. It's a very, very high protein content, and actually compared to others on the market, it's got the highest amount of protein. In that sense, it's got a very low glycemic index. It helps to control blood sugar levels, as well as obviously being calorie controlled, so it's perfect as part of a weight loss program.
And why is it different to other products that claim similar things?
So we're backed by 25 years scientific research, and we've actually found, so many positive things associated with Almased, not just for weight loss, for weight maintenance, but one of the key findings is that so those that lose weight, so it's fat that's lost opposed to muscle, so muscle is retained, which is key to obviously sustainable healthy weight loss. Compared to a normal low-fat diet, it was found that with Almased there was 2 times greater weight loss and also a 3 times greater reduction in waist circumference. So those are really big findings, that we found through clinical evidence. So that's brilliant. That's what, one of the benefits that distinguishes us from the other products.